Happy birthday, Ate Ian. Wishing you excellent health and a stress-free life. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ian. I wish and I hope that you would become a permanent employee in government service. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ian.
Happy birthday, Ate Ian. Painom na. O tanga na dismiss.
Hello, Ate Yen. Happy birthday. Sana lagi kang masaya and diri ka na aringit.
Aringit na sa inyo.
Oo, danay. Ikaw.
Happy birthday, Ian. Sana magpa-bear ka naman.
Magpa-beer. Mainom ano.
Happy birthday, Ate Ian.
Happy birthday, Ate Ian.
Auntie Iyen. Happy birthday.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Yes, I did it. I love you. Happy birthday, Auntie Ian. God bless. I love
Happy
you.
birthday, Ate Ian. Bro, happy birthday, Ate Ian.
Happy birthday, Auntie Ian.
I love you.
I love you. Happy birthday, Ian.
Happy birthday, Yen. Salamat nga tangin. Bulig.
Happy birthday, Ian. Happy birthday, Auntie Ian.
Birthday, Tita Julian. I love you. Safe ka magpunta sa imo tanan na travel. Tapos,
Tapos insip mo na.
tapos, ulit ang birthday.
Hi, Yen. Happy birthday. God bless. I love life. Pati sim career. Hinay permi. Hang out soon.
Happy birthday, Ian. Take care and get
Happy birthday, Ate Ian. God bless you always and have a blast on your birthday. Happy birthday!
Hey, what's up, Yen? Happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Ian. God bless you.
Mahuyag kami. Yalala. Iba.
Happy birthday, Ate Yen. God bless. Ingat for me.
Bye-bye,
Hi, Julian Rose. Happy birthday. I hope you succeeded in making your birthday extra special. Actually, na-Korean ako mag-film sa kalugaring ko na video kay Tumikit magkastoryan, magkaupod. Mopay na lang niya na kay dahil libang ka magpara Netflix nga sa imong trabaho. Karay ko lang siguro na I wish you a lifetime of love and happiness. And I hope that someday you look back at this video and you realize and you see how loved and appreciated you are. And that grasya ka sa mga tao nga nakapalibot sa iyo. Ito na. Love you.
Kanta na kanta.
Happy birthday to you. I can see. Happy birthday, Ian.